What's going on, guys? It's your boy MoHodls, and I'm back with another quick scalp. So basically, it's another trade I took on Fantom here. Macro range looks like shit, and right now we have this drop here. And what it looks like to me is on the daily, we see that this looks like a tweezer top into a supply zone, which is just bad. But it looks like we have some life here, and we saw like a daily bullish hammer essentially form. 11 hours left till close, so we'll see how that ages. But it looks pretty bullish, and now we're just watching to see how it closes. But all in all, I'm still bearish. I still believe that we're gonna come back down to this 95-cent low, to the pretty much the range low. So yeah, now let's zoom in. Now that you know I'm pretty much bearish, give some context. Pretty much over here, we're gonna zoom down. We are making new highs here. I did take a short over here. I'm gonna explain why in a moment. So let's go back here. So basically, let's see if we can go back further. Yeah, let's go back further. So basically, what I saw here was, triple bearish divergence, of course, right? Where we have a high formed here after this one and this one, right? So we see 3 levels, right? And then 3 peaks, which basically tells us that that's bearish divergence, right? And now what I'm waiting for is a 61.8 retest, where, damn, that shows fast. Let's go back even for a second. Now I'm looking for a 61.8 retest, which basically says, okay, let price come from the highs to the lows and retest this upper trend line. The reason why I drew it here was because in a range, there's usually a sweep that takes place, and this looked like the sweep to me right here. And then there's a retest before we go back lower again to take the liquidity from both sides, right? So I would assume it at least goes back to the 55 EMA, and then of course, price essentially stops here, and then it tags the 61.8 right there perfectly. That's where I entered, and pretty much it ends up aging beautifully. And it was pretty much a 1% scalp from the high, and on 3 leverage, we pretty much were able to nail at 3%, which is pretty gorgeous, honestly, because these scalps really do add up, and I pretty much also typed it out here on my Twitter if you guys aren't checking me out, just for like a quick recap. But that's pretty much it, guys. It's really simple. 61.8 is algo, so we always target that. We had the bearish divergence, retest 61.8, and short. That's it. Really simple, guys. Keep it simple, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Hodl, hodl, hodl. Peace.